Kantor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar Rieh Russia Uzbekistan Georgia China Philippines bat kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru hakador babiang
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umintri ka Sarkar Jala ba Kyrmen Shilla hakar pratrik unaitung arajar arpusan ulo ang makamlong satya ka basok ikibrig banabar banyo Jaka sa namar bahaga Jala Meghalaya kadon ni Land Transfer Act pada ke 6 schedule haga junior kran Meghalaya pathai kubor wa Shilla ulo ang ru naloba ka Jala kadon ru ek Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act Sarkar kelapit ngor bahaya ki district kebiata ko bagi kaput jang ke Jala Assam kanang man khangla de ke jingyo rung tu jigi Mynder ke blasha kendang na ke Jala Assam.
When it comes to influx, we are blessed to have this Land Transfer Act and the 6th schedule where if anybody from outside they would like to come and stay in our state, the most important thing for them to have is that they need a proper document. Especially if it is a non-tribal, it's almost next to impossible for them to come and then capture our land because we are well protected. No doubt, we still want some more protection when it comes to ILP, RMSSA, or whatever it is protection. We do need it. But as of now, we need not fear up to that mark that since we have all this protection, especially the Land Transfer Act, so those people, I believe they cannot harm us. But still we have to be alert because unnecessarily if they enter Meghalaya and then later on we have to chase them, it doesn't look nice. It's better to protect now. But in the end, we are still very much protected by our Land Transfer Act. Not only the East Giant Hills, the whole state, as we have mentioned from time to time, is really much needed. But whatever the protection we have, I feel with this the equipment, especially we have the officers in different level, different line department, all this is good enough for us. But still, the more the better, and whatever we have, and we have full faith in our officers, in police department and the district administration, they can protect us. And this will happen with all the people of our state join hand together and then we work together as a team, then nothing can stop us. Nobody can harm us. So for all these things, we have been mentioned from time to time. Influx, the loophole is that when somebody comes to our place and then they got married to our brother and sisters and all, so that is how they got a chance to enter, and that is the difficult part for us to tackle. But if all of us work together and then do not give them a chance, then that is the protection we are having as of now. The government is trying for that, no doubt. It's not necessary for me to write regarding this, but the government has already tried the best and then send the department who's supposed to look after it to take care of all these things. And I believe whatever we have as of now, that also will help us a lot.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu kisopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya kisopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka amtang kata kawei kisopti kadai kawei ke design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra